Today, we'll show you how manufacturers can create a single source of truth, automate workflows, and enable real-time visibility, driving better decision-making and operational efficiency. We're seeing a shift toward single, intelligent data ecosystems that seamlessly connect across your enterprise. Data is the brain power of your business. Inefficiency around data impacts critical business metrics like your time to market. Segmented tools and systems create information silos and lead to a data utilization gap. The question isn't whether you have these systems, but are these processes and data working together in a way that supports your business? Or are your engineers wasting time looking for the latest CAD file? Are design versions getting lost in email chains? How often do your bill of materials have errors that cause production delays?
It's a heart of the Fusion platform is Fusion Managed, providing real-time visibility, presenting the right data to the people who need it to make decisions at the right time in a context that they can quickly and easily assimilate and make those fast decisions. Having the ability to present that in dashboards and reports, the key KPIs, if you have tasks that are assigned to you, this really helps you keep track of that. Autodesk is taking a completely different approach than pretty much anyone else in the industry. For day one, the solution was built with integration in mind. I think that's key to business success and being able to synchronize data between your key business systems.